The spindle and bearing assembly is installed in your sander's eccentric housing. The sanding pad attaches to it. It consists of a threaded spindle with 2 bearings installed on it. Over time, the bearings might fail and begin to squeak or seize. The threads in the spindle can be stripped. Replacing the spindle and bearing assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the pad from the sander. I'll use the wrench that came with the sander to secure the spindle. Next, I'll remove the counterweight. I'll use a pair of adjustable pliers to secure the eccentric housing so it doesn't rotate. Now I can remove the spindle and bearing assembly. I'll clamp the spindle into my vise. Then I'll use a rubber mallet to tap the spindle away from the housing. Now I can install the new spindle and bearing assembly. I'll press it into the eccentric housing. Next, I'll reinstall the counterweight. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the pad. And that's how you can install a new spindle and bearing assembly in your sander. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.